So we got the 1.5. We need a 1 and also a half. We'll put the ones for our trimmers back because we ain't using these today. Just trying to switch it up for y'all, you feel me? There's a lot of different ways to get the job done. That's why you go to any barbershop. There's not one set of tools that anybody uses. Everybody has their favorites, and you know, whatever works best for your routine, you feel me? So for me, I'm just showing y'all a bunch of different ways that we can get it done. So we're gonna start it off with the 1.5. We're gonna open it and we're gonna go with the grain. So starting from the top, fade it down. It's not gonna catch much. We're just gonna go ahead and drop it down. So before it was all the way up, then we hit the lever, drops it down to the lowest setting. Let's see if this does anything. Kind of fading my beard in, just in general towards the bottom. So we're done with the 1.5. That didn't do much. So now let's go to the 1. Snap that on there. Remember to open the blade up. Always want to start with the highest and then work your way down. Alright, I ain't hear nothing, but still let's do the same thing the other side. Alright, go against the grain, start from the top, work your way down. I'm still not hearing anything. Alright, so with us not hearing anything, let's drop it lower. Boom, all the way down. Try it again. Still nothing, y'all. Matter of fact, I think I seen a little hair drop, so it did a little something, so it's a little hair sitting up there. Against. Alright, now I'm definitely hearing it. Okay. So now. Yep. Now that fade is starting to go through. Y'all see it in a minute. Alright, we got it. Let's go down to the next one. Brush it off a little bit. That was the 1. Alright, so I know for next time, we'll start it off with the 1 because the 1.5 didn't do anything for us. Now we're going to go to the half guard, which is barely anything here. Open it up. Again, going with the grain. Starting from the top, just slightly. I'm not hearing nothing, but it might be doing just a tad bit. So again, make sure you're not going all the way down the same thing that you did with the other one. You want to go, you know, down starting and then go less and less and less as you're working your way to the smaller guards. Going with the grain didn't do nothing. So let's go against it. Still not hearing anything, so again we're gonna drop it down, lowest setting. Let's see with it. Still nothing, but now y'all see that? We're getting ready to knock that line out right there. I believe it's gonna do it right now. Yep, just a little bit. Kind of pulling the skin a little bit. Yep, there it is. Same thing on the other side. Y'all see that hard line? Let's remove it. see it? Alright, we got one more thing to do. Go ahead and pop the guard off. And see how it didn't do nothing when I was, you know, had it open and closed and stuff like that, or open. We're just gonna go ahead and keep it closed and go with the grain and just kind of tap at the line a little bit to fade it in a little bit more. Let's see if it does anything with. Not much there, so let's go against. There it is. Let me try to zoom in for y'all. Can y'all see it? There it is. Hopefully y'all can see this. Let me try to do it on camera. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Nice fade with the wall magic clips, man. So the same thing that I've been doing with the corded detailers, with the cordless detailers, we can now do the exact same thing with these, because again, it's all about, you know, I was about to say it's all about the guards, but I guess most of the work was done without the guards, right? Open and close blades. But yeah, always start with the highest one, go with the grain, knock it down, go against the grain, put your next one on. You know what I'm saying? All you need to know is your math a little bit. Know which one is the largest and smallest. We got the 1.5, then the 1, then the half. You feel me? So as long as you know stuff like that, you know which one to do in order, you should be Gucci, man. All right, now last thing. We about to bust this out right here. This is the Nivea Men Sensitive Cooling Post-Shave Balm. You feel me? I've showcased this a handful of times in some of my older videos. Then I kind of stopped showing it, but as you can see, I've always had it. It's very light. It's not like your regular lotion that's thick and you gotta rub it all around. I mean, you obviously gotta rub this around too, but it's a little bit liquidy, a little bit more runny. I'll say that's the word. A little bit more runny. Smells great. Then you can put it all over your face. And since I went ahead and lined up my whole beard and everything today, up under my neck and all that, I didn't apply any of this earlier, so I'll go ahead and get it all right now. Oh man, this is great. So again, with me not shaving my head for so long, I'm gonna let y'all look at the top of my scalp, man. It looks like it's just all still the same color. I didn't mess it up at all by letting it grow. Or matter of fact, I'll let y'all judge. Did I mess it up? Because on camera, it looks like maybe I did. Maybe. But that's probably for me just wearing a hat. But now that we all shaved up, won't be really needing to wear hats too much these days. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, thumbs up before you get up out of here. If you don't thumbs up the video, I'm going MIA again for a couple months, man. Show some love, and I'll be back. Peace.